Welcome to this tutorial on Java programming. Java is a popular, high-level programming language that's widely used in the development of web, mobile, and enterprise applications. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the basics of Java programming and help you build a strong foundation in the language. Before we dive into the code, let's talk about what Java is and why it's so popular. Java was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s. It's an object-oriented language that's designed to be highly portable and cross-platform. This means that Java programs can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine JVM installed. Now let's take a look at some of the basic syntax of Java. In Java, every statement must end with a semicolon. Also, you need to define a main method, the entry point into your program. The main method is defined like this. Let's break down this code snippet. The keyword public means that the main method can be accessed from outside the class. The keyword static means that the method belongs to the class, not an instance of the class. Void means that the method doesn't return anything. Finally, string args specifies the command line arguments that are passed to the program. Next, let's talk about variables in Java. In Java, you need to specify the data type of a variable when you declare it. For example, if you want to declare an integer variable named x, you can also assign a value to a variable when you declare it. For example, to declare an integer variable named y with a value of 10, you would do this. Java has several data types for different kinds of values, such as integers, floating point numbers, and characters. You can find a full list of the data types in the Java documentation. Now let's talk about control structures in Java. Control structures are used to control the flow of a program. The basic control structures in Java are if else, while, while, and for loops. Here's an example of an if else statement in Java. This if else statement checks if the value of x is greater than the value of y. If it is, it prints x is greater than y. Otherwise, it prints y is greater than x. Finally, let's look at how to input and output data in Java. You can use the system.out println method to output data to the console. For example, to output the value of an integer variable named x, you would do this. You can use the scanner class to input data from the console. This class is part of the Java util package, so you need to import it at the top of your file. Here's an example of how to use the scanner class. This code uses the scanner class to input a string value from the console. Thanks for watching and happy coding!